Aluminium ash is the product of molten slag, produced in electrolytic aluminium or casting aluminium production process. After cooling processing, aluminium ash ball pressing equipment is widely used, which can be used to press the material for granulation or ball pressing, reduce the dust produced by aluminium ash, control the bulk density, return and use, and improve the transportation characteristics. The advantages of aluminium ash ball press: a reasonable structure, smooth operation, low energy consumption, high-quality high-alloy steel forgings, high strength and wear resistance, and easy-to-buy. Aluminium ash ball press ball and socket specifications and shape according to the requirements of the user. Processing custom. High-pressure forming, no need to add binder, only rely on their own strong pressure can be formed. Aluminium ash ball press out of the ball. The finished product density, strength, hardness are very high, and aluminium ash ball press, consumption of small power, compact structure, can have a high rate of pellet formation.